130 miles into the Alaska Highway. We're pretty much past the severe mountains right now. And right now we're just going through lots of rolling hills and camps on the side. So far only one gas station since Fort St. John. And other than that, all blacktop. I did mention about the construction. That's the only one actually that we have experienced so far in the 131 miles. And so it's just basically rolling hills. You're going your 100 kilometers an hour down to probably 50 if you're heavy. But then you just get back on the speed again. But nice easy ride. As you can see, we're in snow, so talk to you later.